Hello guys, welcome to No Excel Easy Way, and we are going to learn some simple Excel formulas over here like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, count and countif. Let's start with knowing the Excel sheet first. We have numbers from 1 to 10 over here, and we'll be adding these numbers in different format. The very first method is just a simple addition. Whenever you start a formula, you just need to initiate it using an equal to sign over here. That means you are going to put a formula, you're going to add a formula to that particular cell. So if I need to add two numbers like number 1 and number 2, I'll add the equal to sign on this over here and go to number 1, add the plus sign like a normal mathematics, and then hit number 2, select number 2 cell and hit enter. So 2 plus 1, 3. There's another way of adding the numbers is by specifying a method that is equal to sum, and then hit a tab to open the brackets and then select the range where you want to put the addition property. If I want to select the whole 10 range over here, I'll select it from number 1 to number 10, that is B6 going to B15, and hit enter. So the total of number 1 to number 10 will give me as 49. There's one more way of adding the number that is started with the equal to sum property. Hit the tab key and select number 2, then add a comma like a separator, then select any other number like number 5 over here and hit enter. So 8 plus 2 will give me 10. Subtraction is only one way, that is hit the equal to sign, select a number, hit minus, then go ahead and select another number and hit enter. So that's how you do the subtraction. Multiplication, same way as subtraction, select number 2, hit the asterisk sign and select the next number and hit enter. Same goes with division, hit the equal to sign, select a number, add the divisible sign, select another number from the chart and hit enter. So these are basic addition, subtraction and multiplication, division ways that you can follow. Count is something which you might see this way. Suppose I select all these 1 to 10. Right over here you see count is equal to number 10. So if I need to know what is a count, these 10 cells are filled with some or the other value. Okay, so those are not empty, so we count all the filled cells. So how will I count it in formula? That is equal to count, hit a tab, select a range and hit enter. That gives me 10. Okay, so it's simple. It will just count the number of cells that is occupied by a number or a general character, date, or it will basically count all the filled cells in your range. What is countif? Now countif is a condition. Suppose I want to know in my range how many times number 1 has occurred, like the number 1 has occurred how many times. So I'll hit equal to sign, put the property as count if, hit a tab, select a range like right over here below. You can see this is a range over here, so you need to select a range. I need to select a range from 1 to 10 and put a separator, that is a comma, and the criteria. I want to check how many times number 1 has repeated itself in my range, so I'll put number 1 and hit enter. So it says 2 times I can see number 1. So if I need to change it, and if say I want to see how many times number 7 has occurred, it gives me 2 again. Let me see one unique value over here, number 4. Okay, so if I put a criteria as number 4, it will give me 1. So it basically will give a condition. If you need to find a particular object in a particular string, how many times it has occurred, or count how many times it has come over there, you will be using COUNTIF. So that's all about it. It's just a simple mathematical formula that is going to go ahead and help you build your complex formulas in the future tutorials that I'll be sharing with you guys. And go on, practice with it, and we'll definitely go ahead and learn about constants and variables, the difference between a constant and a variable, by the next tutorial. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye.